Guys, this is a higher quick revision paper 2024 non-calc. It's going to be a quick revision, so bear with me. I will try and do it as fast as I can. Kazim has some small jars, some medium jars and some large jars. He has a total of 400 jars. 3/8 of the 400 jars are empty. Bear in mind, I've highlighted all my key pieces of information so they pop out at me. For the empty jars, the number of small jars to the number of medium jars is 3 to 4, and the number of medium to large jars is 1 to 2. Now, you may find that confusing because there's two lots of medium, but we are going to just make it smaller, so there's only one medium. That's our objective. Work out the percentage of Kazim's jars that are empty small jars. So that's what we've got to find at the end of this. So let's start with this first section here. So we're going to find out how many 3/8 of 400 jars are empty. And by doing that, we're just literally going to do 3/8. We've got 400. So we're going to times that by 400. We haven't got a calculator, so I'm going to pop it into a fraction and put the 1 underneath like I do. 3 times 400 is 1200 all over 8. Now, some people will be able to sort this out straight away, but I'm going to simplify it as I go along. For those people that are maybe on the foundation paper, and this is towards the back of the paper, that don't understand it as well as higher students. So we're going to do half it, 2's into 300, the stop method. 2's into 3 go once, carry the 1, 2's into 10 go 5. There we have it. So we have 150 jars. So we found that out. So the next bit is let's work on getting only one medium jar because there's 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to go, it's small to medium, and then we have medium to large. And we have 3 to 4. And 1 to 2. So what we need to do is get rid of one of these. So it's just 3 small, medium, large. I'm going to combine these. So I'm going to times this by 4 and this by 4, which is 4 to 8. Now I only have one medium. So I've now got small, medium to large. So I've got 3 to 4, so it's the same now, to 8. So that's all sorted now. It's asking us to work out the percentage of Kazim's jars that are empty small jars. So we're just looking for small jars now. So this is a basic ratio question here. Find out all our parts. Which is 15. So I've got 15 parts. Now we're looking for the small empty jars. So our small empty jars are here, 3. So now we've got 3 over 15. So let's make this smaller. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I've got 1/5 times 150 jars, which is our 3/8 empty jars, which gives us 30. Now, with that 30 jars, we need to find the percentage. Now we find the percent. And to do that, all I've done is 300 jars over 400, which was obviously the original total, times 100, because it's a percent. And then I've just cancelled those out. And it becomes 30 over 4, which is 7.5%. This question, I've already pre-wrote the little formula that I'm going to use. And then has 8 parcels. The mean weight of the 8 parcels is 2.5 kilograms. The mean weight of 3 of the parcels is 2 kilograms. It's asking us to work out the mean weight of the other 5 parcels. So what we need to do is follow this formula. The total weight, which is the total weight equals the mean, which we know is 2.5 kilogram. And we're going to times that by the number of parcels, which gives us 20 kilograms. Same again. This time the mean is 2 kilogram times 3. Now we need to work out what's remaining. What weight have we got remaining? So it's going to be 20 subtract 6 equals 14. So that's what weight we have remaining. So now we need to find the mean. So to find the mean, we're going to do the mean equals 14, the weight remaining, all over the 5 of the parcels, which I know is, if I do it because it's top heavy, I do 4 over 5, because I know that 4 over 5 equals 80. So the answer is 2.8 kilograms. So that's a nice, easy 3-mark question. Once again, all these worded questions, highlight them in the exam or while you're learning in lesson, underline them. They've got to pop out at you. Otherwise, worded questions can get very muddled up. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.